New York. On a lighter note, how about these hockey uniforms for Team China for the Winter Olympics? That is a flashy uniform. My goodness, with the dragons on the pads?
That's pretty cool.
That's really cool.
I don't know that I've ever seen such a flashy look before. I can just imagine the embroidery or whatever, the stitching on the pads here to get that done. I'm curious about the bounce with the rebound off the dragon. I'm a little curious. I never saw that. I played a fair amount of hockey. I don't know if anyone in the NHL is doing it. I don't know if it's painted or stitched or how it's there, but
It looks stitched.
it does look stitched. It looks so detailed. But either way, it is. Yeah, I think it is stitched on the front.
Looks cool.
No, it looks very cool. I wonder do you think it would impact the shooter? You're coming down.
Yeah, that's
and,
menacing.
You look up and it's two dragons and gold and red.
I wonder what the helmet looks like.
The helmet would be a cool one to see. It's not part of this particular image. The jersey, also very red, very vibrant. I'm curious. We start to think about the effects or impacts of uniform decisions on actual gameplay. It could be good or bad. Like, I wonder about this type of thing, Will. I've played games where I would feel that one particular uniform would have an advantage over another. Like, as far as looking up and seeing who to pass to, there's a thing about wearing white. Like, there's always a white team wearing a white jersey. But then the ice is also white. And then guys also get crazy about the color of tape that they use. You can see the puck better if you have white tape.
Oh, right.
But the goalie can see it coming off the tape better. Like the release compared to a black tape, which is more deceptive.
Yeah.
Hiding the puck. It's all very interesting stuff, but the uniform's cool. I'll look forward to seeing it in action.